Hi boys and girls, welcome to Writer's Workshop, Day 3 for the Owls. Today we will be focusing on a topic sentence and a picture. The materials you need: pencil, crayons, your paper, and you should have already listened to these two stories. If you have not listened to both of these stories, you need to make sure you do. You also need to set your timer for 15 minutes. Let's get started. Today we are going to be writing about our favorite book. Which one was your favorite? Was it The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog, or was it The Duckling Gets a Cookie? You get to write your opinion. Let's review our opinion starters. You can choose any of these to start your writing. My favorite, I believe, in my opinion, I think, I feel, I prefer. I'm going to choose my favorite. My favorite book was, now I'm not going to tell you my favorite book because I don't want anyone copying my opinion or my reasons. So I want you to think of your favorite book. Which was your favorite book? You can do your opinion starter. Pick one of these, write that, and then you're going to write the title of the book. And the words are right up here. And then you're going to do your picture. And that's all you're going to do today. State your opinion and do your picture. After you've done that, you can stop.